Dateability is available on iOS, Android, and web app at dateabilityapp.com. When you first sign up for Dateability, you will be asked to create your profile. Some things like name, age, a minimum of 4 photos, and bio are required. You can create a robust profile by filling out basic information, Dateability Deets, and activities. You can skip the non-required information and come back to it at any time. To edit your profile at a later time, click on the Profile tab and select the editing icon next to the section, or click the outlined section. To manage your photos, go to your profile and click on Manage Photos button. You can then choose a photo and add an image description, or delete and replace photos. Keeping Dateability safe is a top priority, so we encourage users to verify their profile. To verify, click on your profile and scroll down and select Verify Profile. Follow the instructions, and if approved, your profile will have a yellow badge. Profiles that are not verified have a Request Verification button on it. You can anonymously nudge a user to verify by clicking the button. To set your preferences, go to the Search tab and click on the filtering icon in the upper right-hand corner. From there, you can select the genders you are interested in, age range, and location radius. Dateability Plus subscribers can choose from advanced filtering options. To find users, click on the Search tab. View a full profile by clicking on the Details button. You may press the heart to send a like, swipe right, an X to say no, swipe left, or skip, swipe down, if you're unsure. The skip button only appears on profiles from the Search tab, not profiles who have sent you a like. Users who are X'd will be recycled after a certain period of time, and users who are skipped will be recycled immediately. You can see users who have sent you a like by going to the Likes tab. Free users will see a locked likes list, while Dateability Plus users have access to all of their likes at once. We do not show you a list of users you have sent a like to. In order to match, 2 users must like each other. Only matches can send messages. Matches will appear under the Messages tab. Announcements, including app information and events, will appear under Messages from the account named Dateability. Each profile has block and report buttons. If you experience any harassment or abuse or suspect fraud, please report the profile. Once blocked or reported, you will not be able to see the user and they will not be able to see you. To unmatch, click on the profile from your Matches tab, scroll down, and click the Unmatched button. To use more granular filters and other features, sign up for Dateability Plus by clicking on the Search tab and clicking the filtering icon in the upper right-hand corner. Please note that subscription management is done through your phone's app store, and we cannot manage your subscription. To manage your account settings, go to your profile and click on the 3-dot icon. From there, you can view tutorials, find frequently asked questions and contact support, view safety tips and resources, and delete your account.